What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a knife from Kizer we're going to unbox. This time around it is the Kizer Banish. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. Very nice packaging here. Very similar packaging. We've seen this before from Kizer. Just a black box, no information on the outside. Logo smack down in the middle with Kizer branding there. Spark Banish on the box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we get inside when we go ahead and get this Kizer Banish for ourselves. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So we have a envelope here with a nice microfiber cloth inside. Very nice. And inside you're going to get a nice little quick guide warranty package pamphlet with some nice imaging, and all the information is on the back. Go ahead and put that aside. You're going to get the stickers. Bam. The knife itself, nicely packaged in a little clear plastic bag. And some extra hardware there. Screws with Loctite already on the threads, which is absolutely fantastic. Nothing else. Let's go ahead and take a look at this knife itself. Now this is a very nice, very small pocketable knife. The overall length, is this flipper? It sure is. Bam. The overall length of the knife is 5.4 inches, which is 137.1 millimeters. It is a thumb hole front flipper opening. So you do have like that. So you can do the thumb hole, which is the thumb hole is this right here. Not too good at that, but let's see if I can try it. There you go. Not bad. And then you can do the spider flick. If you're good at the spider flick, you can also do the spider flick. I'm not too good at the spider flick. You need practice, but the thumb hole opening, you can just go. I just did it earlier. There you go. And then you can do a front, and you're good. You can do this front flipper, so you can kind of like flip it like that. I can't do it with one hand, but if you're good at that, you most definitely probably can. The blade style, it is sheep's foot. You do have a sheep foot blade style. The blade length itself is about 2.30 inches, about 58.5 millimeters, which is not bad. The blade thickness is about 0.098 inches, which is 2.5 millimeters. Nice, good, thick blade. You do have some cutouts here for added support and grip. You can kind of grip this bad boy like that. The blade material is Nitro-V, which Nitro-V is rated about a 61 to 62 point hardness level. And overall, the toughness of it's a 7.5 out of 10. The edge retention is about a 5, which is pretty average. And a corrosion resistant is about a 7, which is actually pretty good. So without further ado, look at that. Bam. Nitro-V blade looks absolutely fantastic. And the blade material for the handle is carbon fiber, which looks absolutely fantastic. It is available in other handle materials. Depending on what material you choose affects the cost of the knife itself. But you do have a deep carry reversible pocket clip here, which looks fantastic. You can go ahead and swap it to the other side if you need to. It weighs about 2.1 ounces, 2.01 ounces actually, 57.1 grams. The lock type is a button lock, as you can see. See if I can spider flick this. I can't not do it yet. You can do the thumb, but if you want, you can open it like that. You can You don't have to flick it, just press down on the button lock and flip it open. But other than that, this is a nice, very small, pocketable knife. It's good for your everyday use. It's good to carry in your EDC pouches, little small pouches, or even in your sling bags in your pocket. This is not going to take that much room or weight, but it looks absolutely fantastic. Nice Kizer Banish knife. Boom. Look at that. It looks amazing. If you have any questions regarding this Kizer Banish knife, please leave them down in the comment sections below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.